So class 3, today we are going to do the exercises of work and us. Unit 7, work and us. I hope all of you have written the heading. Chapter 17, work and us. आप हेडिंग लिख लेने के बाद तुम लोग सब अपने कॉपी में ये वाला लिखो, ये वर्ड्स आई लर्नड. वर्ड्स आई लर्न, ये वाला, ये दो वर्ड जो है वर्ड्स आई लर्न, जल्दी लिखो. ऑल ऑफ यू, ये वाला, ये वर्ड देखो मैं रेड से कर रहा हूँ, रेड से. ये वाला वर्ड्स आई लर्न कॉपी में लिखो अपना जल्दी. वर्ड्स आई लर्न. नंबर 1, डिंगी मीन डर्टी, हैम्पर मीन हिंडर. उसके बाद हम लोग ट्रू फॉल्स करेंगे. डू फास्ट. Everyone write down these words I learned. Dingy mean dirty, hamper mean hinder. I hope all of you have written down this. So I hope all of you have written down these words I learned. Dingy mean dirty, hamper mean hinder. If it is done, then we will go to so words I learned you have written, then open your book. Open your book to page 128. Now I'm making you do true and false. सब कोई पेज खोल लो 128 बुक का. बुक में ही करेंगे हम लोग. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स वी विल डू इन द बुक ओनली. ओपन पेज 128. वी विल डू ट्रू एंड फॉल्स इन द बुक ओनली. टेक आउट योर पेंसिल. अब मैं जैसे लिख रहा हूँ, T फॉर ट्रू, F फॉर फॉल्स लिखते जाओ. नाउ A true and false I am doing now. Number 1, the work that we do to earn a living is called an occupation. True. You can write TRUE, true also. So it is true. Write down. Then number 2, in our community, we do not depend on people with various occupations. to help us in our daily lives. I'm reading again, in a community, we do not depend on people with various occupations to help us in our daily life. It is false, right, F? It is false. Okay. Now, number 3. A tailor fixes tapes and pipes. It is also false. A tailor not fixes tapes and pipes. Plumber fixes tapes and pipes. That's why it is false. Now, number 4. Children are forced to work in a dark and dingy environment which affect their health. True. Now, number 5. Non-government organizations do not work for the welfare of people. It is again false. Right, F? So I have made you do true and false. It will be true. Number 1 will be true. Number 2 will be false. Number 3 will be false. Number 4 will be true. And number 5 will be false. Right, right. Now, true, false, I have made you do. So I made you write words I learned also in the copy, and in the book you have done true and false. अब फिर से कॉपी में लिखना है ये क्वेश्चन आंसर. कैन यू सी दिस? बी आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. कॉपी निकालो जहां पे तुमने लिखा था ये वर्ड्स आई लर्न. ठीक वर्ड्स आई लर्न के नीचे लिखो बी आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस. बी आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस. लिखो हेडिंग बी आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस. और लिखने के बाद कॉपी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डिफाइन ऑक्यूपेशन. डिफाइन ऑक्यूपेशन. हेडिंग बी आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन लिखने के बाद कॉपी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. डिफाइन ऑक्यूपेशन. I hope all of you have written down the question, define occupation. Now write the answer. देखो आंसर यहाँ है. ये रहा सी. जिसको मैं रेड से अंडरलाइन कर रहा हूं वही आंसर है, लिख लो. The work that we do to earn a living is called an occupation. Okay, write down, write down. This is the answer. Answer number 1. The work that we do to earn a living is called an occupation. लिख लो अपने कॉपी में. If this is done, जिसका भी 1 क्वेश्चन आंसर 1 हो गया, कॉपी क्वेश्चन 2. क्वेश्चन 2 कॉपी करो. जिसका 1 हो गया 2 कॉपी करो. दिस इज क्वेश्चन 2. Describe the different kinds of household chores. लिखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 लिखो कॉपी में. Describe the different kinds of household chores. Question number 2. कॉपी में लिखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. 1 हो गया. 1 के बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 लिखो. 1 का आंसर भी दे दिया मैंने ऊपर. Now you write down question number 2. Describe the different kinds of household chores. Copy this question fast. Now I am giving the answer of question 2. Describe the different kinds of household chores का आंसर ये होगा. देखो ये रहा. जहां से मैं अंडरलाइन करूं आंसर नंबर 2. लिखो अपने कॉपी में. In a household, there are different kinds of chores. Number 1, cooking. Number 2, washing. Number 3, helping in studies. Number 4, paying bills. Number 5, dusting. And number 6, watering plants. लिखो ये सब. देख लिया क्या होगा आंसर. आंसर होगा in a household. Write down in a copy में आंसर नंबर 2 लिखो. In a household, there are different kinds of chores. Cooking, washing, helping in studies, paying bills, dusting, and watering plants. Okay? Write down. हो चुका ये आंसर, आंसर नंबर 2 भी हो गया। नाउ गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 कॉपी करो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्या है? ये रहा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। राइट डाउन, कॉपी में क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 लिखो। व्हाट डज एन आर्किटेक्ट डू? कॉपी में क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 उतारो। व्हाट डज एन आर्किटेक्ट डू? फास्ट। व्हाट डज एन आर्किटेक्ट डू? कॉपी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 उतारो। जिसका क्वेश्चन आंसर 1, क्वेश्चन आंसर 2 हो चुका है। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 उतारो। व्हाट डज एन आर्किटेक्ट डू? यह है क्वेश्चन 3। कॉपी क्वेश्चन 3। व्हाट डज एन आर्किटेक्ट डू? Yes, now I'm giving you an answer. ये रहा आंसर नंबर 3। This is answer number 3. This is answer number 3. An architect designs our houses and buildings. Write down this answer in your copy. First, answer है an architect designs our houses and buildings. This is the answer. Write down. ये आंसर नंबर 3 है। An architect designs our houses and buildings. This is answer number 3. Write down, write down. An architect designs our houses and buildings. Write down this. Whoever completed question number 3, answer number 3, now go to question number 4. Question number 4 is define child labor. Copy question number 4. Question number 4 utaro. Define child labor. So you have written down define child labor. Now see the answer. ये देखो, this is answer number 4. Children, which I am underlining, children employed in occupations with long working hours which may hamper their education is regarded as child labor. बस यही है आंसर नंबर 4. Write down, लिखो, write down in your copy. Done. Answer number 4 done. Children employed in occupation with long working hours which may hamper their education is regarded as child labor. Done. Whoever has finished question 4, answer 4, then copy question 5. जिसका भी आंसर नंबर 4 हो गया, copy question 5. Question 5 is, and this is the last question. Question 5 is, what does a non-governmental organization do? What does a non-governmental organization do? Copy this question. लिखो ये question. Then I will be giving you the answer. Copy question 5. जिसका भी answer 4 हो गया है, copy question 5. Copy question 5 fast. This is the last question. Now I am giving you the answer. See, this is the answer number 5. They deal with various social issues like child labor, removal of illiteracy, and child and women welfare. ये है आंसर नंबर 5. लिख लो कॉपी में फास्ट. And whoever has finished, just make the PDF and send to my personal WhatsApp for checking. Do it, do it. This is answer number 5. They deal with various social issues like child labor, removal of illiteracy, and child and women welfare. Write down. I hope all of you have done. Now I am ending my class. Whoever has finished, send it to my WhatsApp. Making PDF. So class 3, I have completed all the exercises of the book, including true, false, and question answer of chapter 17. Walk and us. I finished it. Now send your PDF of true, false, and question answer to my WhatsApp. Now I'm ending my class here.